So most of you have been wondering how I take my entry position in the Forex market. So today's video, I just want to show you the easiest and the simplest way that you guys can use to make your entries. So let's get started. One thing, let's just do this. I want us to talk about, let's say the market's on an uptrend. So we, of course, when I talk about uptrend, we expect a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and a higher high, higher low. So I think so. Right now, we see that there's this type of a trend right here. Okay, so we need to take our buy entry position since we are talking about uptrend, right? So if we need to talk about our buy position, our entry should be only at the support right here, right here, and right here. Okay, so now how are we going to take our buy position? Let's say, let me just draw once again. The market was going up, then came back, and now you found that the market's up, doing this. And now, as usual, like I said before, we need to wait for the market to touch this level. That is when we execute our buy entry position. So we should expect that the market to drop. Okay, now there are certain that we have two types of drop. The market might just drop without, let me just say, the market might just drop with the candlesticks after candlestick, like this, candlesticks after candlestick, candlestick after candlestick. Now this is a very good type of an entry. I usually call this as a plus type of a setup. Okay, so now when this, let's start with this type of an entry. Let's say the market continue dropping, I'll just continue magnifying as usual. This was our trend, this was our trend. So the market was doing this, and now as the market continued dropping with this type of an a plus candlestick, right now we only look for reversal pattern. And now when I talk about reversal pattern, we look for something like a double bottom. Maybe the market goes up, then comes down to retest this level, then goes up. So the moment the market takes out this new high that it creates, that is when you take your buy position right there. Then now stop loss need to be below that level. So this is the easiest way to make your entry. Mostly when you see this a plus setup, that is only candlestick dropping without making, giving you low high, low low, low high, just dropping. Okay, so there's also another type of a pattern. Let me just show you. Let me erase those drawings. I'll erase the drawings and show you this type of pattern. So we were doing this, the market as usual giving us higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, like that. This is the type of play. But now this time the market, instead of dropping, remember our A plus was candlesticks after candlesticks, okay? But this time the market gives us a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So right now it means the market is giving us new trends, which is now bearish property. Remember, we're looking for our buy position. This is what I'm talking about. The market keeps on dropping, giving us this type of a play: lower, 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 low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, as it approaches our support line. Okay, so this is going to be a tricky one, guys. This one is going to be a tricky one to make your entry position, because let's do this. Like I said, I'll draw once again: lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, something like this. So the reason why I'm saying that this is going to be a tricky one is because we need the market to take out this downtrend. Okay, so how will we take our entry position? Now on this we'll need a reversal, which is an inverse head and shoulder. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. We'll need the market to go back. Of course, let's extend this. We need the market to go back. Okay, then do this. Okay, do this, do this. We continue evolving, then the market does this, then that is when it breaks. Okay, so when it breaks, we understand that now, okay, let me just also extend this. Okay, we understand that now the market has given us an inverse head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder right here, this is the head, and now this is the right shoulder. Okay, now most articles that I've been reading says that the moment the market takes out this high, that is when you take your entry position, okay? But I don't like to use this. Remember, we are looking for our buy position, but now the market has broken with an impulse. So that means we expect that the market should should go back to give us a pullback. That means higher high, higher low, higher high. So now we are back to this higher high and higher low. All right. So I'll do this once again. Let's now magnify this level right here. Okay. Now this is how I trade inverse and head and shoulder pattern. Okay. So I'll hide the left shoulder. When you hide the left shoulder, that means the only pattern that you're going to be left with is a high high and a high low. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. We hide, since we've hidden this left shoulder, so we have higher high, higher low, and higher high. So that means when this market did this, it means it broke. This is the level that it broke. This is the level that I'm talking about. So that means you only took your buy entry right here, which is like you've taken your buy entry. Let me just do this. You've taken your buy entry right here. And remember, I say we need to take our buy entry at the support. Okay, I hope you guys understand that. So when we see that type of a pattern, that is when we bring in new trends. So you see, it's going to be crazy. You've taken a buy right here at the resistance line. So my best strategy is wait for price to go back once again. And the way we did take our buy position right here, that is, we wait for now a double bottom right here. And if it breaks, that is when we execute our buy position right here and stop loss right here. I hope you guys are not confused. Okay, if you don't understand, just rewind this video and be keen as you play. Okay, so this was for a bullish market. Okay, I talked about inverse head and shoulder because we were talking about buy position, and also remember um I've included a double bottom. So still on that buy position, guys, I've talked about that. Mostly I've talked about inverse head and shoulder, but now there's also a way to tackle a double bottom. Okay, so let's say once again we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, but now this is the higher time frame. Let's say this is the H4 or the daily. Okay, but then you see a reversal. So since we are at the higher time frame, there's no way you should be taking a buy the moment the market takes out this neckline, because now it means your stop loss is going to be way too big. Okay, that is, you've taken your entry right here. So the double bottom I was talking about should only be on the 15 minutes. 15 minutes, guys, for a tighter entry. Okay, but when you see a bigger version of a double bottom on the H4, the daily, don't take an entry the moment the price does that. Okay, so this is when I bring out once again, remember, we have a double bottom at the higher time frame. Let price breaks. Okay, let it continue going, and now we go back with our bullish property. That is when we start looking for something called a bullish flag. This type of a play, a bullish flag. Okay, so the market is going to retest this neckline that it did break. Okay, sometimes the market might continue breaking, giving us a false break, but you should look for a bullish flag. Okay, the moment you identify a bullish flag, then now remember our inverse head and shoulder that I just talked about. Once again, the market did this as usual. The market came down like this, like this, like this. Now remember our inverse head and shoulder thing. Wait for the market to give you something like this. Then if it breaks, now remember, now this was H4. This is H4. Now, sorry, when you expect this type of a bullish flag, you should expect this at the H1. Okay, now going to the to the 15 sorry, not H15, going to the 15, now you should now look for inverse head and shoulder. Okay, now as usual, if it breaks, now then you go back, wait for that pullback, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, remember that, and then wait for now a tiny double bottom, make your buy position. Guys, that's the market. All right. So that was on the bullish property, guys. I hope you guys understood that. Okay. Now I want to talk about sell positions as usual. Okay. So the market is moving down as usual. So we have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Let's do this. I don't know if this or it's moving sideways. Okay. Let me try to change the angle. Okay. Let's do this. So lower low and lower high. Okay. My drawing is crazy. Let me see. Something like this, but I hope it makes sense for you guys. Okay. All right. So that's the, of course, I don't have a ruler. This is it. So this is a downtrend. The market is moving down. Okay. So we need to take our sell position right here at the resistance now. Okay. Remember our buy position. We did take our buy position at the support, and now our sell position we're taking it at the resistance. Okay. So let's now understand this level. Once again, we go back to our A plus setup. A plus. What's happened with my marker? So A plus, okay? So on A plus, we should expect that the market, the candlestick goes up in this type of a play, okay? So this is the level I'm talking about. So on this, you don't have to be stressful, guys. You only need to go to the 15 and wait for now a reversal, which is a double top, okay? Now on this, if the double top or price takes out this level neckline, this is when you take your sell position right here, and then of course stop loss right there. You see, that is why it's A plus. Nothing is complicated on A plus setup, guys. All right, guys. Once again, rewind if you don't understand. Just rewind until you understand. These A plus setups, guys, are always the best to take because the market won't disturb anything. All right. Now let's go to the other one, the disturbing type of a pattern, the crazy one. As usual, markets doing this: lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low, lower high. All right. Now we need to take our buy position. I mean, a sell position right there, or right there, or right there, or right there. Okay. So now we need to understand how this pullback happen, how price approaching this resistance of hour. Now this is the one that is not an A setup, that now price goes back to retest our resistance in an uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is it. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So right now you need to draw another trend. Okay, because the market, of course, you're looking for sell properties, but the market is in an uptrend. Okay, so the market continued doing this. Remember, let's say that this is our trend, this one right here. Okay, so the market does this. So what we need to do is wait for the market. The market might do this, maybe try to break, then goes back. If it goes back, look for maybe, now remember you are at the 15. Okay, look for maybe a double top right there, and if it breaks, you execute your sell position, sell, then stop loss. Okay, that is if it breaks with an impulse. Wait for a double top. Guys, rewind this video if you don't understand. Please, I need you to understand this. Okay, double top is an M. Okay, now if this doesn't happen, a double top, wait for a head and shoulder. So let's just do this once again. The market is going up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Let's do this, of course. Now wait for the market to maybe take this high. Okay, it might take this high, then now, oh, price has taken this high, it's going up. All right, but that's not the case. The market goes back, retest this now level, then goes up once again, If you guys know what I'm talking about, this is the case. The market is going to retest this level. Now, on this level, wait for the market to now come back down, goes up once again to respect this once again, this level. Now, if you see that clearly, that is a double top right here. Okay, this is a double top. Make your sell position basically over here, sell, stop loss, and ride this wave all the way down. I hope you guys understood. So that is another way. Okay, let's talk about if it breaks. Of course, I've done that basically. I forgot that I've already explained that break. Okay, I'll repeat. We are doing a high, high, low, high, high, low. Okay, but guys, there's something. Okay, I need this to be on the third touch. So first touch, second touch. Now on the third touch, wait for the market to go up once again. Now if it breaks, of course, before it breaks, it will give you a reversal. Take your sell, make your stop loss right there. Okay, at the third touch, I forgot, at the third touch only. Okay, first touch, second touch. Now on the third touch, expect the market to go back. Okay, and if on the third touch the market doesn't goes back, the market just breaks on the third touch, do not sell immediately. Okay, because all this is just an impulse, and we understand that the market gives us an impulse and correction. So all you need to do, okay, wait for the market to go back. Now when it goes back, that is when you look for this hidden, double top right there, then sell. Okay, that is the easy way. I hope you guys understood this class, guys. And if you didn't understand, guys, I'm still repeating. Please rewind this video, rewatch the video, and take it slow. If you skip a step, guys, I don't know, the market will really punish you. So those are the secrets, guys. Those are my secrets to my entry type of strategy. So I hope you guys learned, and adios, mi amigos. Bless up.